Are you ready to score some free games on Steam? Today I'm going to show you how to find 100% discount games. If you find this guide helpful, a like and subscribe would mean the world to me. Let's dive right in. First, open your Steam client or head to the Steam website and log into your account. Once you're in, click the Store button at the top of the screen. Next, find the Search button and click on the magnifying glass icon. Navigate to the filter section on the left side of the screen and set the price filter to Free. This will show you all the free games available on Steam. Now we have all the free games, but not the discounted ones. To find those, click on Special Offers. This will filter the list to show only discounted games. As you can see, we can get Minion Masters for free, and its normal price is €15. Repeat this process whenever you want to check for new free games. Steam updates its offers regularly, so you'll always be in the loop on the latest deals. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.